Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update an app on Android. So if you have an Android phone and you want to update your application on the Android phone, and of course you don't want to update automatically or update all the application once, so you want to update them one after the other, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to update app on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Google Play Store. On the Play Store page, locate and click on your profile icon at the top right. Select Manage Apps and Device. Then it should say application you have outdated here under available updates. And if there is no available updates here, click on See Details. Then it should see all applications that are due for updates. As you can see here, I have about 17 of them. Now to update any of the application, all you need to do is click on Update, and then you should see the application updating. However, if you want to update all the application once you click on See Detail, then hit Update All at top right, and then you should see all the application updating one after the other, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to update app on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.